Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 7 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start chapter number 8, Verbs, the present. The present tense of be. Be is used in two ways. दो तरह से use होता है. As the main verb and as an auxiliary to form another tense. Okay, main verb की तरह भी और ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब की तरह भी. यूज एज द मेन वर्ब ही इज हैप्पी. तो यहाँ पर जो इज है वो क्या है? मेन वर्ब है. यूज एज एन ऑक्सिलरी ही इज प्लेइंग. बी एज द मेन वर्ब. द पिकॉक इज आवर नेशनल बर्ड. हियर बी हैज बीन यूज्ड एज द मेन वर्ब. बी एज एन ऑक्सिलरी. द पिकॉक इज डांसिंग. हियर द वर्ब इज डांसिंग. In this sentence जो be है यानी कि is है has been used as an auxiliary. Be has the same form whether it is used as the main verb or as an auxiliary. Now read the following conversation. I am very excited today, said Riya. So am I, replied Anu, but you are even more excited than me. Where is Neha? Is she still in the library? Asked Riya. In this conversation, the verbs printed in color are the present tense of the verb be. Sometimes we use short forms of these verbs in conversation. The short form of the above verbs would be I am tired. So होगी ये I am tired. You are tired. Bunny is on the rights. Bunny is on the rights. Forms of be देखेंगे. I am, इसको लिखेंगे I am. Negative में I am not. I'm not. Interrogative में am I. We are, we aren't and are we. इसी तरह से children you will read all these. Okay? आप इन सबको पढ़ेंगे और हम चलेंगे different short forms can be used in negative sentences. We are not, we aren't. He is not, he isn't. You are not, you aren't. Okay? Negative interrogative forms में are you not, aren't you, he is not, isn't he. The short form of am I not is slightly irregular. Am I not, aren't I. Ain't I also used. Am I not late, aren't I late, ain't I late. The present tense of have. Have is used in two ways, as the main verb and as an auxiliary. Have as the main verb, I have a pet dog and I want to have a pet cat. Here have is used as a main verb and as a verb it denotes possession. Have as an auxiliary, I have seen Kashmir many times. In this sentence, have has been used as an auxiliary to make the present perfect tense. So, have as a main verb denotes possession and have as an auxiliary is used to make other tenses. So, अगर main verb में use होता है तो possession दिखाता है और auxiliary की तरह होता है तो ये tenses को form करता है. अब देखेंगे forms of have. I have, इसको इस तरह से लिखेंगे I have no, I haven't any, have I. Okay? So children, ये टेबल भी आपको पढ़ना है. नोट करेंगे it is nowadays common to use have got for have and has got for has. Read these sentences carefully. We have many pets. Neetu has a talking parrot. We have got many pets. Neetu has got a talking parrot. इनके मीनिंग सेम ही है. Short form of have in negative sentences. We have no car. So, इसको हम इस तरह से लिखेंगे and we haven't any car. इसको हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं. We haven't got any car. We don't have any car. I have no flowers. ये इसका short version है. I haven't any flowers. I haven't got any flowers. या फिर हम लिख सकते हैं I don't have any flowers. Forming questions with have two ways हैं. Do you have any spare pen? Have you got any spare pen? Does he have some money to spare? Has he got any money to spare. Okay. Negative interrogative forms of have I not, haven't I, don't I have I not, haven't you, don't you have. Okay. अब आते हैं हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस पर. Read this passage, children. The months of May and June become so hot that people who go out at noon often fall ill and even die of heat stroke. The words written in bolds are verb in the simple present tense. Present simple tense की forms हैं I play, I do not play, do I play, we play, we do not play, do we play, you play, you do not play, do you play, he, she, it plays, he, she, it does not play, does he, she, it play, they do not play, do they play. नोट करेंगे वी यूज द रूट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है इन द प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस विद ही, शी, इट एंड अदर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ वी हैव टू एड एस और ई एस टू द रूट फॉर्म. शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स में डू नॉट, डोंट, डज नॉट, डजंट. नेगेटिव इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म्स देखेंगे. डू यू नॉट गो फॉर अ मॉर्निंग वॉक, don't you go for a morning walk, does he not go for a morning walk, doesn't he go for a morning walk. सेंटेंस बिगनिंग विद अ क्वेश्चन वर्ड में सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन वर्ड आता है प्लस डू या डज, फिर सब्जेक्ट, फिर रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. व्हेन डू यू डू योर होमवर्क, व्हेन डज ही डू हिज होमवर्क. अब यूजेस क्या है प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस के. अगर हमें डिनोट करना हो हैबिचुअल या फिर रूटीन एक्शंस को और एक्शंस डन रिपीटेडली. सो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं गौरव ड्रिंक्स मिल्क येस्टरडे, दिस इज अ रूटीन एक्शन. कैट ईट फिश, ये हैबिचुअल एक्शन है. आई गो टू बेड एट 10 PM, रूटीन एक्शन. टू डिनोट साइंटिफिक फैक्ट्स एंड परमानेंट ट्रूथ, जो परमानेंट ट्रूथ है उन्हें भी हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल में ही बनाते हैं. इफ यू बॉयल वाटर इट इवेपोरेट्स, साइंटिफिक फैक्ट है. द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट, दिस इज अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. To denote proverbs and sayings because they also represent permanent truth. Birds of a feather flock together, a rolling stone gathers no mass. To denote natural qualities and professional activities. Examples, some mangoes taste sour, natural quality है ये. A pilot navigates the plane, this is a professional activity. वर्ड्स ऑफन यूज्ड विद द प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस, ये आप खुद पढ़ेंगे इस टेबल को. ये प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस के साथ वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं. इसके एग्जाम्पल्स यहाँ देख लेंगे. आई नेवर वॉच फिल्म्स दैट हैव वॉयलेंस, आई गोज टू सम हिल स्टेशन ड्यूरिंग द वेकेशंस. अब आते हैं प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस पर. नाउ रीड दिस मैसेज. मदर इज चॉपिंग वेजिटेबल, फादर इज वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स, Bunny and Sunny are playing and their grandmother is sleeping. The dog Chiclet is barking. The words printed in colors are in the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense की forms हैं affirmative sentence में is, are, am plus ing form of the verb आता है. Example children, you will read yourself. Okay, is, are, am आएगा, फिर ing फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब जैसे कि आई एम रीडिंग, वी आर रीडिंग. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में नॉट इज एडेड आफ्टर द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ब. लाइक इज, आर, एम के बाद आप नॉट को ऐड करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल आप खुद पढ़ेंगे. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ब दैट मीन्स इज, आर, एम इज पुट बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट. इज शी रीडिंग, आर यू रीडिंग. शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हैं एम नॉट, aren't, isn't, am not I. Okay? अब इनके यूज देखेंगे. यूज ऑफ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस टू डिनोट एन एक्शन गोइंग ऑन एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग. बोलने के समय पर जो एक्शन चल रहा हो उसको ये दिखाता है. मदर इज गोइंग शॉपिंग, द वर्ब इज गोइंग इन द सेंटेंस मीन्स मदर स्टार्टेड गोइंग अ शॉर्ट वाइल अगो. Mother is going shopping at the present moment and she will continue going for a while. Sometimes adverbs of time like now, at present, at this moment are used to suggest that the action is going on or taking place at the time of speaking. To denote a temporary action which may not be necessarily going on at the time of speaking, these days I am reading Macbeth. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं अभी पढ़ रही हूँ Macbeth, मतलब कि ये एक एक्शन है जो चल रहा है अभी मेरी लाइफ में. In such sentences, expressions like these days and nowadays may be used. To denote an action about to take place in the near future, we are going to Shimla tomorrow. अभी गए नहीं हैं या जा नहीं रहे हैं, कल जाएंगे. So Dharia is leaving for the US next month. He is joining a famous hospital there. This form is used to suggest a definitive arrangement in the near future. The time is almost always given. Tomorrow, next month. Okay. Verbs not generally used in present continuous tense में. The following verbs are used in the present simple tense and not in the present continuous tense. वो हैं verbs of senses: hear, see, smell, taste. I hear that you have decided to take retirement. It is incorrect to write I am hearing. Okay. इसी तरह से we see that you have bought a new house. This is correct. लेकिन ये कहना कि we are seeing, this is incorrect. Verbs of feeling and emotions जैसे कि love, hate, dislike, fear, want, desire, care, feel, wish, appreciate, like, respect. ओके, सो इसके एग्जाम्पल्स आप खुद पढ़ेंगे. वर्ब्स ऑफ मेंटल स्टेट्स एंड एक्टिविटी जैसे कि अग्री, डिसअग्री, बिलीव, ट्रस्ट, थिंक, फॉरगेट, नो, रिकलेक्ट, डिसबिलीव, डाउट, रिमेंबर, डिफर, अंडरस्टैंड, इमेजिन. एग्जाम्पल्स आप खुद से पढ़ेंगे कौन से करेक्ट हैं और कौन से इनकरेक्ट. वर्ब्स डिनोटिंग पोजेशन: बिलोंग and own, possess. Okay, एग्जाम्पल आपको खुद पढ़ने हैं बच्चों. Verbs like seem, appear, cost, consist, contain, resemble. Okay, see, look, hear non-action verbs हैं. See, hear action verbs हैं. Look, listen. Look at these example. I see a crowd on the street. We hear a thumping sound. They are looking at us. Are you listening to me? अब आ जाते हैं have पर. When have is used as the main verb, जब have को main verb की तरह use करते हैं, that is, it shows possession. It should not be used in the present continuous tense. Look at these examples. We have a villa and a flat. This is correct. We are having two houses. This is incorrect. Second example है I have fever, correct. I am having fever, incorrect. Have can be used in the present continuous tense in the following cases. Have referring to some arrangement in the future. They are having a housewarming party in Sunday. So कुछ arrangement आपको future में show करने हैं तो आप have का use करेंगे continuous में. In such sentences are we are having our dinner, father is having a bath. ये दोनों sentences में having is used in the sense of take. Let's practice, children. Fill in the blanks with the present simple tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Riya always finishes her homework on time. Singular subject है, so we will add S या फिर ES. So यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे finishes. My father goes to the office by car. The sun rises in the east. Ankit leaves to school every morning at 8 a.m. My grandmother tells story to us every night. The earth revolves around the sun. Rest sentences you will do yourself. फ्रेम क्वेश्चंस, यहाँ पर आपको क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम करने हैं बच्चों विद द क्वेश्चन वर्ड. यहाँ पर जो क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स आपको दिए हैं गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट्स, टेक हेल्प ऑफ द अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स. अब अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स की क्या हेल्प है? The given sentences should be the answer to the question you frame. Okay? Now, सबसे पहले हमें दिया गया है she is reading a story book. So, what is she reading? Rahul sings beautifully in the choir. Who sings beautifully in the choir? Okay? They go to the park in the evening. When do they go to the park? So, हमारे पास आंसर आ जाएगा in the evening. My uncle lives in London. Where does your uncle live? We travel to school by bus. How do you travel to school? इसी तरह से बच्चों आपको इन सभी सेंटेंसेस को क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस में फ्रेम करना है. Fill in the blanks in this passage with verbs in the simple present tense. Simple present tense में आपको ये passage fill करना है. आपको यहाँ पर verbs दी गई हैं. Okay? So you will do it yourself. Right? हम आगे चलेंगे. Rewrite the following passage using the verbs given in the brackets in the simple present tense. The honeybee lives in large colonies. It collects nectar from flowers and makes honey. Okay? The worker bees build the hive and protect it from enemies. Okay? Rest passage you will complete yourself. Match the columns, children. All that glitters is not gold. Make hay while the sun shines. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Birds of a feather flock together. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Do not put all your eggs in the same basket. Fill in the blanks with the correct tense, simple present या फिर present continuous में of the verb given in the brackets. He dash in a bakery at the end of the street. He is in a bakery. I am of the same age as you are. Okay. Do you need any information? The person you look for is in next house. The machinery you are showing to me is the most modern in the office. She easily loses her temper. A good soldier is a man of discipline. Christians worship in a church on Sundays. So children, this chapter ends here. I hope that this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.